With cases surging, the White House Coronavirus Task Force held its first news briefing in nearly 2 months Friday. This time at the Department of Health and Human Services, not at the White House. And President Trump did not attend. Dr. Anthony Fauci urged Americans to take the virus more seriously.
You have an individual responsibility to yourself, but you have a societal responsibility.
The task force announcing a shift in the testing strategy.
Thanks to the millennials who have been heeding our guidance, whereas before we told them to stay home, now we are telling them to be tested.
The vice president, while encouraging Americans to take steps to keep themselves safe,
wash your hands, avoid touching your face, disinfect frequently,
conspicuously skipped over one part of the CDC's advice: to wear a face mask in public. Pence pressed by reporters.
Is there a message that you would like to send to people about the importance of wearing masks?
Well, we think that the first principle is that people ought to listen to their state and local authorities.
The VP challenged over recent rallies where Trump supporters did not wear masks, a practice President Trump has suggested is a political statement.
How can you say that the campaign is not part of the problem that Dr. Fauci laid out?
Freedom of speech and the right to peaceably assemble is enshrined in the Constitution of the United States. And even in a health crisis, the American people don't forfeit our constitutional rights.
All of it unfolding as the Trump administration filed a new legal brief asking the Supreme Court to overturn the Affordable Care Act. The move coming as the government reported that nearly 500,000 people who lost health insurance during the coronavirus shutdown enrolled in coverage through OBAMACARE.